Oh, this is cool. I've had this camera for like over a year now, and I've never actually done this feature. So, pretty dope. I can see myself. Look at that. Country number 43. So, I now visited more countries than my age by 2. Hopefully you math wizards and geniuses there can do the math. Very old school amphitheater. Here in this beautiful Brussels park. Look at this guy. Man. People doing their yoga over here with a Vishla. Beautiful Vishla right here. See the Vishla? When I was younger, I wanted a Vishla. I recognize dog breeds like nothing so far. I'm gonna take you guys over there. Look at those beautiful arcs over there.